Water damage, fire damage, wind, hail, smoke, it doesn't matter what brought you here. At some point in every single property loss, someone has to actually fix your home. And that moment, that's where claims go sideways. I'm Coach Chris, 25 years in property claims. I've seen homeowners make it all the way through the emergency. Contained the loss, documented everything, stayed in contact with their carrier, and then hand it all over to the wrong contractor at stage 3. Steps 12 to 16, don't be that homeowner. Here's what's happening at this stage. The mitigation is done, the adjuster has visited. Now your carrier, or someone connected to your carrier, is ready to put a crew in your home to start repairs. And there is a real urgency to get your life back to normal. I get it. But urgency is exactly what causes people to skip the most important question of stage 3. Steps 12 to 16. What exactly has been approved? Before any repair work begins, any loss, any peril, any size claim, 3 things need to be clear. 1, get the scope in writing. What is being repaired? What is being replaced? What materials? A verbal walkthrough is not a scope. Ask for a written line item document before work starts. Here's something most homeowners don't know going in. The contractor your carrier works with isn't a typical general contractor. They're a restoration contractor. That's a specialty. They're trained specifically in insurance repair work, water, fire, smoke, mold. They understand the claims process. They work within carrier guidelines, and their estimates are built around a specific pricing tool called Xactimate. Now, if you bring in your own general contractor for a second opinion, their estimate is going to look completely different. A GC typically gives you a single line or grouped bid, demo and replace bathroom floor. That's it, no breakdown. Xactimate does the opposite. It lists every single task separately. Remove baseboard, dispose of baseboard, install new baseboard, paint baseboard, each with its own price. That's not padding. That's the format carriers use to verify scope. So when you're comparing bids, you're not comparing apples to apples. You're comparing an itemized grocery receipt to a restaurant check. Both are legitimate. They just speak different languages. Your job is to understand both. Two, know your right to choose. Your carrier may recommend a contractor. You are not required to use them. You have the right to select your own licensed insured contractor. Ask questions. Get a second bid if you want one. This is your home. 3, read before you sign. Work authorization documents and assignment of benefits agreements can include language that limits your options later in the claim. If something doesn't look right, slow down and ask. Every loss, every peril, every contractor, get it in writing first. This is stage 3. Steps 12 to 16 of the Coach's Playbook, the complete property claim system inside the Homeowners Handbook at coachingclaims.com. The playbook exists because the urgency you feel at stage 3, steps 12 to 16 is real, and so is the cost of rushing it. Stage 3. Steps 12 to 16 give you the checklist, the questions, and the language to use before anyone touches your home. If you're dealing with a loss right now, or you just want to be ready before one finds you, subscribe. The next step will be waiting when you need it. You'll want this channel on the worst day, not after it.